If you're entering trades with half your deposit, you're not trading, you're hoping. And in this business, hope is expensive. The Fixed Profit channel is here, and if you're still watching, you already know something's off. The signals look clean, the entries feel good, and yet you're stuck, still losing, still frustrated. This video might finally show you why. By the way, I am helped in my trades by a modern smart robot that gives detailed indicator reports and advice. You can get the bot for free and forever within a month. The link is in the description. Those who do not have time to take advantage of this offer will need to subscribe for a fee. If you have any questions, write to the manager in private messages. He will tell you everything. So now the robot has shown me parity in the market, 4 red and 4 green indicators. I have decided to use my foresight to enter the market. I see oversold on the stochastic oscillator. Yes, this increases the bull's chances of a fresh upward momentum. I hit the green button, Australian dollar to yen. Time frame is 5 minutes. Data update frequency in the robot is 1 minute. Friends, in order not to miss new, useful content, click on subscribe to the channel and on the bell. Like and comment. I really appreciate your feedback. It helps to develop and promote the channel. By the way, now I am preparing a cool course on technical analysis for you. Only traders who join our team will get the course. Write to me in private messages at the link in the description under the video to join us. In this course, I will tell you about the secret aspects of technical analysis and how to use them in practice. The course is absolutely free. I want to note that I share my experience. This is not financial advice. I show how I do it. A few years ago, I had no system, no discipline, no clue. I'd see a candle breakout, jump in, throw 30% of my account at it. No risk plan, no context, just adrenaline. And it worked for a little while, until it didn't. I remember one Friday, 3 losses in a row. I went into the weekend with half my deposit gone, not because the strategy was bad, because I had no framework to survive the losses that were inevitable. Here's what no one wants to admit. Your biggest enemy isn't the market. It's your lack of discipline. Most new traders think they need the perfect entry. They don't. They need the ability to manage risk consistently, especially when things go wrong. And the most basic rule, never risk more than 1 to 2% of your total balance per trade. That's not optional. That's the foundation. If your account is $100, your position is $1 to $2. If your account is $1,000, you're trading $10 to $20 per setup. It sounds small, it feels slow, but this is what allows you to take 50 trades without blowing up. That's how you build confidence, not by being right all the time, but by being alive long enough to learn. Also, analyze your entries, mark key levels, track reactions around volatility spikes, review your mistakes, screenshot them, and figure out if you entered late, sized wrong, or ignored a reversal signal. The answers are there. Most people just don't stop long enough to see them. So I've finalized the first deal. Good job. Now I change the currency pair for variability and to demonstrate the intelligence of the bot, Euro to Canadian dollar. The recommendation from the neural network is active buy, 6 indicators that are glowing green and talking about the growing potential of the bulls. 5-minute expiry time. I see large arrays of green bars on the histogram for the past hour's data. Yes, the buyers have gradually improved their position. I think they will climb to a new stage, pushing off from the new support zone. Friends, we have a group in Telegram where we share posts that help to understand trading in more detail. There is a lot of educational content that I personally use in practice. Subscribe. The link below the video. We help with education. To chat about education, write to our manager in private messages. Link in the description. I personally conduct trading sessions and help with education for all participants. This video is for educational purposes only. I am not a financial advisor. I am just helping you to understand the essence. And if you're tired of second guessing, here's what helped me clean up my process. A signal assistant. It doesn't trade for you. It highlights setups that align with proven structures and confirms them based on clean logic, not emotion. It helps you filter noise, stay focused, and stick to your plan. Right now, you can get it free and keep it free for life, but only for this month. After that, access will shift to paid users only. There's a link in the description to claim it while it's open. Don't wait on this. Last week, I received a signal on USD CHF. Volatility was rising. The zone was clear. I entered with just under 2% of my deposit. Simple execution, no panic. And the result? A clean move, well managed. That's not luck, that's structure doing what it's supposed to do. If this video helped you think clearer, hit like, subscribe for more no-fluff trading content, and check out the Telegram. We post signals, case studies, and tips daily. Now, here's your part. Drop a comment. How do you manage your positions? What's your favorite indicator? Are you journaling your trades yet? Write it down, because clarity comes when you start talking about your process. I know people who walked away from corporate jobs and now trade full-time, not because they got lucky, because they respected the process. They stayed consistent. They didn't treat this like a shortcut. Yes, trading is risk. So is launching a business. So is doing nothing. But you get to choose your risk. And if you want to scale, remember, $1 trades return 80 cents. $10 trades return $8. Same decision, different outcome. Your capital gives you leverage, so use it wisely.